Hey everybody, it's Tanya Tomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing Medusa's makeup. Medusa's makeup is cruelty-free and vegan and an indie brand, and they do a monthly subscription box. Here it is. It is less than $20 a month. I think it's around $16, and you get about 4 to 5 full-size products in it. And here is their little postcard. Has all the products on it, but I'm not looking at it. And then here is something about, it's an ad for Main Club, and there's a discount on it. Sometimes they have discounts for other companies as well. So let's go ahead and get into this. Ooh, this is from Main Club. It's Crybaby when your hair mask is repairing but you're still broken on the inside. Repairing hair mask, vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free. So I do use hair masks because my hair is very thick and very curly and sometimes very unruly. Today it's doing pretty good, but sometimes it can be very unruly, and hair masks actually really help my hair look good for about a week or so. Anyway, here's all the other stuff. And let's get into it here. Here is Public Goods lip balm. This looks like a little sample size. Oh yeah, this is definitely a sample size lip balm. It's so teeny weeny. Looks like it's about a fourth of your a fourth of what you normally get when you buy a lip balm. And then the next thing in here is their Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. And I do like their lip glosses. They are very sparkly. This is a really nice color. Last Dance is what it's called. Sort of a nude, dusty rose. Dusty pink with some sparkle there. Actually, I could read the description. It is, oh, it doesn't say anything about the color. Okay, so the next thing in here is one of their matte eyeshadows. In Bahamas. That looks like a really deep matte black. And that is very pigmented. I'm impressed. That is a super deep matte black. Very, very, very pigmented. And yeah, I'm impressed. I'm excited to use that. Here's the very last thing, and it's one of their bullet lipsticks. I love their bullet lipsticks. It comes in this little sort of Art Nouveau box. I think they're just so beautiful. And it comes in this neat little square container. I have one warning to say about the lipsticks is don't bring them in your purse with you unless it's very, very contained, because the lid, if it's fine if it's just on your counter or whatever, but if it's jostled around and things are hitting it, it can come off. Anyway, this is Red Square, which looks like a really nice true red. I have a scratch on my hand, so I'm really sorry, but yeah, that is a nice, that's a nice true red there. Their bullet lipsticks are really creamy, they're really lasting, and their colors are really nice. And it's one of my favorite things from Medusa's makeup. A couple things I don't care for. Most of the things are pretty good, and some of the things are really great. And one of the things that's great is a bullet lipstick. I have high hopes for this eyeshadow. I am gonna test it out and see how I like it sometime soon, because it looks really, really great. And it's always nice to have a really good black matte on hand to deepen up looks and things. Anyway, do you get Medusa's makeup? Are you interested? What do you think about their products? And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.